Today I'll go over what happens when your ArcGIS Desktop maintenance expires. Esri is moving customers from ArcGIS Desktop maintenance to ArcGIS user types, and when maintenance ends, the included creator user types and ArcGIS Pro add-on licenses expire as well. This can lead to over-assigned licenses if nothing is updated. I'll be showing how to make these changes in ArcGIS Online and ArcGIS Enterprise version 12.1 or later.
Once you've signed in to your ArcGIS Online or ArcGIS Enterprise organization, you'll want to select Organization in the top, then select Members, and we'll scroll down to where it says App, and select on ArcGIS Pro Standard or ArcGIS Pro Advanced. And here we can see the accounts that have the ArcGIS Pro add-ons. We're going to want to select them all and then go to More and Manage User Types. And here we can see the creator. On your screen, it might look a little differently and it might say -5 available. So when we click on it, we're going to want to go to Professional. And on your screen, it might say 5 available. So that way we are changing the user type to Professional. And then we'll select Save. Click OK. And now we can see the user type roles have updated successfully and we no longer see them here.
The good news is that the new user types are added at renewal, automatically in ArcGIS Online or through My Esri for ArcGIS Enterprise. So it's important to review users and reassign licenses as needed.